Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explain you on how to fix the 0 RPM issues with the AMD GPUs. I personally own a Sapphire 5700XT Nitro and I've been fighting for a very long time to fix the 0 RPM issue with no luck at all until recently. So I thought it would be very helpful if I share the fix that I got from one of the forums. I thought it would be better if I make this YouTube video so others like me can profit out of it. So to start first, you have to know the ROM of your card. So in order to do that, just download the GPU Z from Take Power Up. Just make a note of the BIOS version as you can see here. Okay, just exactly the same version. Yeah. Can click on save to file using the Tech Power GPU, yeah, and save it to your desktop. Yeah, you saved it, right? So click on OK. So when that is saved, what do? Just click on close, and the next thing what you have to do is open Google, go to MorePowerTool, search for it, and just click on the first link which says igorslab.e. That's the exact website where we have to go now. So when you get into this website, you see this drop down menu, right? Just click on overview and download. Wait for the page to refresh and load. That's loaded. So go down, just click on download. Download the setup file. Since I've downloaded it, IDM is saying that it's been a duplicate for me, so I'm not going to download it again for you guys. So what I'm going to do is go there to the downloads. This is where the downloaded setup is. What do? Just run the setup, and once when the setup is complete, you'll get this on the desktop, just like any other installation for Windows. Do a double click on it, click on yes. At first you'll not be having all these options available to you. Everything would be grayed out here. You'd be able to see your GPU on the menu, but apart from that everything will be grayed out. No, you'll not be able to do anything with these options. So what you have to do, click on load. In the desktop, select the Navi 10 RAM. Okay, click on open. Yeah, you'll see the 0 RPM, right? Click on that. Go to the fan. You can just click on that and check this. So make sure that the features have 0 RPM unchecked, and in the fan tab you have 0 RPM enabled unchecked. Click on write to SPPT and it says successfully added. And that's it guys. Once when that is done, exit out of this, do a restart. Yeah, what I've done after the restart, as you can see, I just freshly rebooted this machine. As you can see, it says 1165 RPM and I've set my fan curve. This is a saved one. Well, what you have to do is initially set the fan curve and load it for once. That's it. We're good to go. And there should be anything else. There shouldn't be anything else which you need to worry about. That's all guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. And this is my first YouTube video. And if I really made this look very bad, I'm really sorry guys. Hope this helps a lot. See you. Bye-bye.